Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a few gentle, everyday practices that can support digestion even more, especially for older adults. These aren't complicated, but when you add them to the 5 foods we talked about, the results can be truly life-changing. Eat slowly. Your stomach will thank you. As we age, the digestive system takes longer to break down food. Eating too quickly overwhelms the stomach, causing bloating, gas, burping, and heaviness. Put your fork down between bites. Chew until the food is soft. Sip water slowly throughout the meal. You'll be amazed how much better your stomach feels. Stay gently hydrated throughout the day. Dehydration is incredibly common after 60, and it silently slows digestion. Without enough water, food moves slowly and becomes harder to pass. 6 to 8 small cups of water a day. Herbal tea, warm water, diluted fruit-infused water. Avoid drinking large amounts all at once. That can actually cause discomfort. Move after meals. A short walk, even 5 to 10 minutes, sends a message to your digestive system that it's time to get to work. Movement helps reduce bloating, ease heartburn, stimulate bowel movements, and prevent constipation. Think of it as turning on your digestion gently. Eat your largest meal earlier. After 60, eating a big dinner can lead to indigestion, acid reflux, and disturbed sleep. Your stomach works best earlier in the day. Try making lunch your biggest meal and keeping dinner lighter, like soup, steamed vegetables, fish, yogurt, or eggs. Your stomach will feel calmer at night, and you'll sleep better too. Listen to your stomach, not the clock. Older adults often force themselves to eat at a certain time, even when they're not hungry. But appetite can be unpredictable. Instead of sticking to strict timing, follow your body's signals. Eat when hunger gently appears. Choose something small when appetite is low. Have easy-to-digest foods on hand. This reduces pressure and makes eating feel natural again. Your digestive system may change as you age, but it is absolutely possible to feel light, comfortable, and healthy again. Start with even one of the 5 foods from today's video: ginger, yogurt, oats, papaya, or warm lemon water, and add a few of the simple habits we discussed. Small changes really can create a happier, calmer stomach. Remember to watch our video on foods that heal digestion after 60 if you haven't already. It's the perfect next step. Take care, stay well,